Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. And on today's tutorial, I'm gonna be doing an everyday glow. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button so that you will to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button so that you'll be notified when some uploaded videos. So let's start. Our hair is easy glow, and the first thing I'm gonna do is prime. I love to prime. I've already done my brow off camera, so I'm going to prime. And I always prime with two primers. You guys know I love off my primer and another Smash Bros block primer. This helps to curl my pores, and these are normally the two primers I always love to use. This helps to curl my pores, and these cover a bit good. So I'm gonna bring some glow this time. Yeah, I'm gonna be using my master cream before I put my foundation. As you hear, just comb. I'm not gonna be using it much. Okay, so I'm gonna blend it over my face after the primer. Okay, you can see how beautiful this. You can put it everywhere, totally everywhere. And another thing I want to point out is this. I normally wear it just like that. It's not my big. So I'm gonna bring primer this time, and I'm using my midline super straight. Just a shake, a little bit shake. So I go with a brush for sorry, I really like want to spray this brush a little bit. It's my setting powder. So smoothly. Nice thing to my neck area. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go for the main thing, the glow. You're gonna see how I glow my face. One thing I always say is when applying my eyeshadow, then we'll come back with the color. This is beautiful. Let's take a break. This is beautiful. Show you my eye shadow. I don't like to be fast about it, but then I'm just not. I have no reason to rush. So let's do it together. So I'm using this red I say a little bit reddy brown tone as my transition shade. So I'm using this red tone, reddish brown as my transition tone. Okay, and I'm gonna move to the next brown. So it's just gonna be simple. It's everyday makeup, so I totally want to keep it simple. So I totally want to keep it simple. Exactly. So I'm using this sheet right here. I'm using this dark sheet. So I'm using the duct tape as well today because I've already applied my foundation, and so I don't want this fall out again. So I'm using the duct tape to to make sure I don't have fallout all over my face. So I'm gonna be putting this on my lid. I use this one on the lid. Maybe it's not like the color, but no. So I'm peeling it off. Yeah. Peeling it off. So I love this. Now let's go with the glow. The first glow I'm gonna be using is from using this cover fix on the highest point of my cheek. That will be here. And I'm going to use my blender to blend it immediately because it dries up so quickly. So let's blend that out. It dries so quickly, so I have to blend immediately. So I'm gonna blend immediately. Okay, so I'm gonna be topping it with another one. This one is a light glow, and this is from Illuminati. I'll say Illuminati. And so I'm gonna just add it on top of the ones I have already applied. I add it on top, and I'm gonna add it on top as well, the side. And so I'm gonna blend it. Okay, I have blended it out and it's quite so beautiful. I'm gonna be using this glowy lip gloss. That's it. I'm gonna be using it as well. So I'm gonna set, I think this is so beautiful. I'm gonna set it up with my Morphe setting made. So I'm gonna set it. Wow, this is beautiful. So I'm gonna go back with my brush and tap to the setting spray. Just gently tap. Glow. This is how I get my everyday glow. This is how I get my this is how I get my everyday glow. You can see how glowy and all this, but it's glowing all over. So this is the look right here. This is my everyday glowy tutorial, and I hope you love it. Don't forget to give it a guys. This is how I get my everyday glow. You know,